trends, So does that mean we're looking at using operable window so we can do natural ventilation? We're asking people to come to the office in their shorts or in a poncho so we don't have to use too much energy, or use the fan so that they can feel more comfortable while they're in the office. So I broke it down to 4 topics. One is the central system, roof level, control systems, and everything else.
And we didn't know that.
Thanks, guys. How's everybody doing, by the way? All right. So, kind of when I was tasked to talk about this, it was interesting because I'm used to being in the HVAC equipment world, and a lot of people are kind of not used to seeing that. I was talking to Danny about this before. A lot of this stuff is buried kind of behind the walls. Nobody ever ends up seeing it, and so it's not very interesting to those who aren't mechanical people. But for us that kind of live and breathe that, this is what we do every day. So I wanted to kind of talk about a bunch of different things, but I wanted to narrow it down. So one of them is one that I get probably the most excited about, which is fan wall. And basically what it is it's individual direct-driven fans in lieu of a single fan. So the old adage has always been kind of have this single fan. A lot of them are big, they've got giant horsepower motors, and they drive all the air for the system. And so when you're in a building and you hear kind of this low rumble and the ductwork is kind of, that's the fan noise that's actually being transmitted down into the space.
So we've talked about emerging technologies and current technologies that are coming into new buildings. And my business, as much as I'd love it to be about new buildings, is about existing buildings. And I'm sure many people in here earn their living out of existing buildings. For me, the struggle is you have 20 to 40-year-old building stock that you have to maintain. You have to make energy efficient. It's not so simple as going out and buying chill beams and fan wall systems, although I love those technologies. And I think I try to root my recommendations in the fundamentals of building operation and maintenance, which goes to preventative maintenance. So I wanted to talk a little bit about how do you garner energy efficiency out of an existing building without a capital investment,